Hello, we're back for another recording. We're doing a low second finger today. So, that basically means that there is going to be a semitone between the first and the second finger. I hope you've done the video with the first finger, so now we had on the lowest string, we had C, D. And D to E is a tone, so D to E flat is going to be the semitone. For the G string is going G, A, B flat. On the D string we have natural tones because E, F is a natural semitone, so we end up with D, E and F, and something similar on the A string because you have A, B and C natural. So that's the notes we're going to be doing in this exercise. It's just training of the semitone between 1 and 2. As always, start at 40. The most important thing is relax all the time. Make sure your thumb is in the right place. Don't have it too far away because, as you can see, it collapses the wrist, it moves. Make sure all the fingers are nice and round because, just like with the first finger pattern that I've recorded, I will do the double stop exercise at the end in order to train the round fingers. But now you've seen that from the first exercise, the first finger pattern, be aware that this is coming. Yeah, it's important that even when you do these exercises, you have nice round fingers that will allow you to squeeze less, that will allow you to tense up less, and that's where you want to get. You have a beautiful sound, a good posture, low shoulders, and nice relaxed thumb. Right hand, remember this thumb is round, the little finger is relaxed and never ever straight. Yeah, don't ever place a straight little finger because then it is impossible to relax your thumb if your little finger is so tensed. Yeah. Remember, just hang 3 fingers across, little finger round on top of the bow, round thumb. I will keep repeating these things always because they stay relevant. Relaxation is paramount to everything you learn, definitely when things are this easy. Yeah, so good luck, and we're at 40, and here we go. So C string, C, D, E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, D, and now the E flat, the low second finger. And once more, E flat. And now without all the rests. C, D, E flat. Okay, so that's it for the C string. Now on the G, G, A and B flat. Remember, when you play, keep that little finger floating over the string that you're using. Avoid having your little finger sticking far away, because even if you can play in tune like this, later on when you have to bring your hand closer in order to be able to reach with 4, it might no longer be in tune, because the hand position is so very different. So stay focused that you keep things correct, yeah? It's better to do 10 or 15 minutes of really good practice where you actually pay attention to everything you do, and to do long time playing with everything in the wrong place, because whatever you've learned with your hand in the wrong place or with all this tension is useless in the long run. You're never going to use that when you get more advanced, yeah? So get used to good sound, good intonation with a relaxed handhold. Now, from the next string onwards, remember, make sure you create some space if possible. If not, the string after this, from the D string. Yeah, but try to have a little bit of space, so avoid that thumb here points that direction at all times. Yeah, it's either down or to the right. Never ever it does that first digit point left. Okay, so yeah, D string, G, A and B flat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A and B flat next. B flat again. And last time. Straightforward half notes. Okay, now we go straight on to the D string, D, E and F natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. E. And semitone to F natural. Again. natural. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. That's the beginning of the next finger pattern. So low, 1 and 2. We speed things up as always, and I'll see you there. Take care. Bye.